Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Suzuki Boulevard M109R. This 1800cc power cruiser just arrived with only 5,600 miles on the odometer. Beautiful matte silver paint scheme, big bore V-twin, fuel injected, liquid cooled, shaft drive. It's got that little mini fairing up front and the rear passenger backrest and luggage rack. Look at the size of that back tire. Come on by and make your big bore power cruiser dreams come true. This awesome M109R BOSS blacked out super sport. Only $12,499. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.